Hi students, today we are going to discuss about the types of chemical reactions. So, உங்களோட 10th standard syllabus பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் there are various chemical reaction types that they have given you. அதில மேஜரா பார்த்தோம்னா it is 5. First two வந்து it is combination and decomposition. Combination na ரெண்டு சேர்ந்து ஒண்ணா மாறுறது and decomposition na one item getting broken into two or more items. The next one, displacement, double displacement. இது ரெண்டும் எப்படின்னா ஒரு element இன்னொரு element ஓட position or place occupy பண்றது. So that is displacement. If in case it's only one element that's making the movement, then it is displacement. Here, two elements move irundhuna, adhaadu ions exchange aachuna, then you call it as double displacement. First of all, the four things pathi we are going to see. Oxidation and reduction is a completely different case. Idu kadasiya thaniya let us handle. Oxidation and reduction together it is called as redox reactions. So on the redox we can see it later. So let us discuss about combination, decomposition, displacement, double displacement. Ipa combination pathi paathona, let us explain it in a simple way. A plus B plus how many ever elements giving you one single compound, that is called as what? Combination. One or more elements or compounds joining together or combining to form only one product, then it is called combination. அதுவே second one, decomposition பாத்தீங்கன்னா வெறும் ஒரே ஒரு compound இருக்கு, that one compound decomposes to give you more than one products, then that is called decomposition. So இதுவும் உல்டா. இப்போ for example combination for example எடுத்தோம்னா magnesium plus oxygen gives you magnesium oxide. So in the reaction la magnesium ribbon eduthu when I burn it in the presence of oxygen enakku enna aguma magnesium oxide kedaikum. And the magnesium oxide pathina it is one single compound that is getting formed, whereas in the reactant side you have more than one compound illaya. So this reaction is a combination reaction. Ipo decomposition paakalam. Romba simple ah solna calcium carbonate or even zinc carbonate. இதை எடுத்து நம்ம ஹீட் பண்ணோம்னு வச்சுக்கோயேன், இந்த டெல் சிம்பிள் அப்படின்னா ஹீட் பண்றோம்னு அர்த்தம், இல்ல ஆரோ மார்க் மேல ஹீட்னு எழுதணும். So calcium carbonate, when you heat it, you tend to get it calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. So இதுல பாத்தீங்கன்னா in the reactant side you have only one compound, whereas in the product side you have more than one compound இல்லையா. So this is called as decomposition reaction. From one compound you are getting more than one compound, then that is decomposition reaction. This is a snap from the NCERT textbook. Combination reaction ku mottham 3 equations they have given for you. First one is calcium oxide plus water giving you calcium hydroxide. இதோட common name உங்களுக்கு realize ஆகணும். calcium oxide அப்படின்றது என்னன்னா நம்ம white wash பண்ணுவோம் பாத்தியா அந்த powder actually. So இந்த white washing powderல தண்ணியை ஊத்தி mix பண்ணோம்னா அப்படியே ஒரு மாதிரி bubblesஆ வரும். ஏன்னா it is a highly exothermic reaction. Large amount of heat liberate ஆகும் அந்த processல. So இது ரெண்டும் mix ஆகி வர அந்த particular aqueous solution it is called as calcium hydroxide, and இந்த mixture தான் வந்து செவுத்துல they'll apply for white washing. அதுல வேணும்ன்ற colors-லாம் they'll add it. So this particular idea it is called slaked lime. Quicklime, when it reacts with water, it gives you slaked lime. Quicklime is a common name, and here the slaked lime is a common name. And this is a highly exothermic reaction because it is giving out heat when these two things are mixed together. So, இத பார்த்த உடனே உங்களுக்கே தெரியும் this is combination. Why? Because reactants ரெண்டு இருக்கு, productsல only one is there. So it is a combination reaction. See, this is the next combination reaction that we have in your textbook. Burning of coal. Carbon plus oxygen gives you carbon dioxide. So products la only one is there. Adhe mari formation of water is the third reaction given in your textbook. H2. There is hydrogen plus O2 oxygen giving you water H2O. So this equation la paathomnalo product side la you have only one. Reactants la rendu irukku illaya. So this is again a combination reaction. Next idea is about decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction la pathona, one compound eduthu, when you apply energy to it, in that case, it decomposes or splits into more than two elements or compounds. So, if you look at FeSO4, ferrous sulfate, when it is heated, you get ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. So LHS, that is reactant side, it is only 1 in number. Whereas in the product side, 3 compounds are there. So I am applying heat. So external, nama heat apply pandron, then that is called as an endothermic reaction. So the compound here is absorbing the heat and in turn it is getting decomposed into its constituents. Constituents and solradhoda different compounds as such. More than one compounds are getting formed and solra. So this reaction is a typical decomposition reaction. Now we are going to see 3 types of decomposition. Now we are applying heat to it. Heat apply panna, it is called thermal decomposition. This is the first type. First type is thermal decomposition. See, in the process of decomposition, ferrous sulfate initially it has 7 molecules of water of crystallization. So first heat panna odane enna aguna adu water of crystallization lose பண்ணும்போது initially green color la irukra and the particular crystals modalla colorless or white color ku maarum because still it is FeSO4 only. But it has lost its water of crystallization. Heat so once after it loses that water of crystallization, further heating it will decompose into ferric oxide. Ferric oxide is what? Fe2O3, and this ferric oxide is what color is it? This is brown in color, right? So it decomposes into ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. So these are the changes. So ungalku activity la pathina, they would have asked you, heat the boiling tube with ferrous sulfate crystals like this and then observe the color of the crystals after heating. So this is the color change observation. Initially colorless maru, that white powder mari maru, adukapparama it will get changed into red color. And the color, that brown, reddish brown color, is because of the Fe2O3 or ferric oxide that has got formed there. The next decomposition reaction given in your textbook is calcium carbonate when heated, giving you calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So calcium carbonate oda common name is what? Limestone, and calcium oxide it is quicklime. So when you heat it, this reaction happens. It has many uses. One is in the manufacture of cement industry. So that's what they have given for this one. And they have also mentioned it is called as thermal decomposition because it is carried out by heating. Thermal decomposition, they have given you one another example in your textbook. It is lead nitrate when heated, giving you lead oxide plus nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. So, idhula pathina, you will see emission of brown fumes, and that brown fumes is because of nitrogen dioxide. This is what they have given you. Activity enna pannum, same way. Lead nitrate powder eduthu or boiling tube la potu I have to heat it over a flame. So heat பண்ணும்போது என்ன changes பார்க்கறீங்க அப்படின்றதுதான் question. So அப்படி போடும்போது when you are heating it, emission of brown fumes can be seen, and this brown fumes is nothing but the liberation of nitrogen dioxide from out of the test tube. So in the lead nitrate pathona, this is white in color, and this lead oxide is yellow in color. This nitrogen dioxide which is getting liberated comes out as brown fumes. So here again, decomposition of one single compound giving you more than one compound when heated. It is an example of thermal decomposition, and you are getting white colored lead nitrate to become yellow colored lead oxide plus nitrogen dioxide which comes out as brown fumes plus oxygen gas is liberated. The next type of decomposition reaction is with the passage of electric current. இங்க energy எப்படி supply பண்றோம், heating க்கு பதிலா இங்க electricity apply பண்றோம், and this type of decomposition reaction is called electrolytic decomposition reaction. So in the electrolytic decomposition reactions pathona, you are supplying energy in the form of electricity, and in the experiment pathona, inside this I am taking water and 2 electrodes through which I am connecting it with a battery source. So battery source connect panni switch on panona, in that case slowly the H2O molecules irukku adu enna aguna, they will decompose into H2 plus O2. So balancing part eppadi irukum, here you will have 2H2O, inga oru 2H2. So this reaction is an example of electrolytic decomposition. This activity pathona, oru mugla they are making 2 small holes and adula oru stopper vechu they are inserting 2 graphite rods, and those rods are connected to the battery. And adukku mele 2 test tubes talagala kauthi water is also filled inside. So inside unakku battery la power on panna odana what happens அப்படினு பார்த்தோம்னா decomposition reaction happens. இப்போ இதுல one of the terminal is connected to the positive, அதை you call it as the anode. So positive terminal ஓட connect ஆயிருக்கதை you call it as anode, and negative terminal ஓட connect ஆயிருக்கதை you call it as the cathode. இந்த anode terminal பாத்தீங்கன்னா split ஆற இந்த hydrogen and oxygen ல oxygen பாத்தீங்கன்னா it is negatively charged ions இல்லையா, so அது combine ஆகி it will form oxygen molecules, and the oxygen molecules பாத்தீங்கன்னா it will get collected over here at the top. அதே மாதிரி hydrogen gets collected over here. ஆனா there is a variance, நீ பார்க்கலாம் இந்த இடத்துல கம்மியா இருக்கு, இதுக்குள்ள பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஜாஸ்தியா இருக்கு இல்லையா, இதை விட இது டபுள் மடங்கு கலெக்ட் ஆயிருக்கு. So ஒரு molecule of H2O was split பண்ணோம்னா 2 parts hydrogen and 1 part oxygen only you will get. That is the reason why oxygen collect ஆயிருக்கிற அளவை விட twice the amount hydrogen would have got collected. ஏன்னா number of atoms படி பார்த்தோம்னா the amount, it is what? Twice. Oxygen விட hydrogen twice the amount இருக்கிறதுனால. So here you get the decomposition of water molecule by passing of electricity, and it is called as electrolytic decomposition. The next type, third type of decomposition is called photo decomposition. Photo, in the presence of light or sunlight. So energy from the light source எடுத்துக்கிட்டு ஒரு particular decomposition நடந்ததுன்னா it is called photo decomposition. So the third category of decomposition you have got some 2 examples in your textbook. One AgCl, another one is AgBr. Actually இது வந்து black and white photography ல முந்தி காலத்துல it was being used. Intensities of grayness will happen on that particular photo frame. So அதுக்கான example தான் இந்த AgBr. When it is kept in sunlight, it is giving you silver and bromine separately. So AgBr is getting decomposed into silver and bromine. So this decomposition reaction happens in the presence of sunlight, and radhanala you call it as photo decomposition. So till now we have seen 2 types of reactions. One was combination, the second one was decomposition. Combination la ஒரு 3 examples பார்த்தோம். Decomposition la நிறைய examples பார்த்திருக்கோம் under 3 other categories: thermal decomposition and electrical decomposition. Last one is photo decomposition. மொத்தம் 3 categories பிரிச்சு decomposition கான types of reactions given in your textbook என்னென்னலாம்ன்றதை we have seen. Right up. Next video we'll have a look at displacement and double displacement reactions.